In this video, you will learn how to adjust column width in Microsoft Excel multiple bar graph. In addition, you will also learn how to adjust the gap width between two data series in Microsoft Excel multiple bar graph. So let's learn how to adjust column or bar width and the width between two data series in Microsoft Excel multiple bar graph. Firstly, I will generate a multiple bar graph to demonstrate how to adjust the gap width and the width of bar. Select this data. Go to insert, and from charts I will insert a multiple bar graph. If you are interested to continuously format this graph like this one, then separate video tutorials are available on our channel. You can watch those videos for more detail. In this video I will only focus on how to adjust the width of these bars or column and how to adjust the gap width between two data series. Firstly, click on any data series, click on any bar. I will click here. Now you can see here one data series is selected. Place your cursor on selected data series and right click. Here you will find different option. Go to format data series option, click on it. Here you will find multiple option. From here you will select series option, and here you will find two important options. First one is the series overlap and second one is the gap width. I will place it here. Now you can adjust the values of series overlap and gap width using this slider option, either on this direction or either on this direction. Secondly, you can also use this up and down arrow keys. And third way is to write manually the values in this section. For example, I want to adjust the series overlap. I will move this slider in this direction. Now you can see here the gap is created between these two bars or these two data series. Now if I move it in opposite direction, you will observe that two data series will overlap. And if I manually write it 0 value, then you will observe that gap width between these will be 0. After writing, click anywhere on this sheet. Now you can see here gap width is 0 now. If you are interested to overlap these two data series, then this value should be in plus. I will use this third option, up arrow key, to increase the value. Now you can observe that series are overlapped. Now you will learn how to adjust the width of these bar or these columns. Select this bar. Now you can see here one data series is selected. Right click, go to format data series option. Again go to series option, and now we will use gap width option. You can increase or decrease gap width. For example, I will use this slider in this direction. Now you can observe that the width of bar or column is increased. If I move in opposite direction, you will observe that the width will be reduced. Similarly, you can write manually any value here. For example, I will write 150. After that, click anywhere on this sheet. Now you can observe that gap width is 150. If you are interested to increase the width of this bar, then reduce its value. For example, currently it is 100%. I will reduce this value to 50% to increase this bar width. I will reduce it to 50%. Click anywhere on this sheet. Now you can observe that the width is increased. So by using series overlap and gap width option, you can easily adjust the width of bar or column and the gap width between two data series. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.